everyone, this is Ala from Ala Loves and I welcome you on my channel. A couple years ago, a motivational video with a speech by Admiral William McRaven has totally changed my attitude to many things, and today I'm sharing this Clean My Bedroom With Me video to show you how to get motivation to clean your house too. If you are struggling with the lack of energy and trying to find the motivation to clean, this video will help you a lot. So let us go on with this cleaning motivation and let me check my 5 ways to get motivated to clean. So my tip number 1 is start with a little thing. Make your bed. Yes, just do this, because a little thing is not so scary and this little one you can most probably complete fast. And this small result will encourage you to go on and do something else. And I will leave you the link in the description bar below with the video I mentioned above so that you could check it later. I try my best to find the energy in the movement, because this is what the energy is. But there are days then I do not want to do anything at all. So my rule for such days is to start at least a load of laundry. For me, it takes about 3 minutes to start a load alone and 5 minutes if my children want to help me. When I need about 10 minutes to fold it and put away. And guess what? This makes laundry one of my favorite chores, if not the best one. But the main thing is that this one load motivates me for so much more. The tip number 2 is for those who like to challenge yourself. Set yourself the timer. You will be surprised how much you can do in a short period of time. I noticed already that when I do my cleaning in the mode of power hour, this helps me a lot. But I don't always want and I don't often have this 1 hour for cleaning. So I suggest to start your timer for 15 minutes. This small goal can really push you and give you enough energy to achieve much more. Even if you just do 15 minutes, this will be exactly 15 minutes more comparing to nothing at all. And right here I want to mention about this one touch rule, which means that if you have something in your hands, you should put it exactly where it belongs and nowhere else. This is why I grab all my beddings and go directly to start the washing machine. The tip number 3 is to get the caddy ready. I think it might be a very good idea to have your favorite products and all the necessary tools available. If you organize everything in a good way so that all your racks are clean, all your tools are charged and they are easy to be reached, it will help you to start cleaning immediately as soon as you get your inspiration. And if you use the products which really work for you and which you like to use, this will keep you motivated, I promise. And by the way, I am planning to film a video about my favorite cleaning tools and products, and I would be glad if you let me know if you want to watch something like this. Just write me in the comments below if it is yes or no for my cleaning kit video. And right now you can see that my children come to help me with the cleaning, and this I think is my big achievement, because one day I realized that it is enough to try to clean the whole house during the children nap time. It is not enough time and it was very much stressful, and now my kids are in the age then they do understand what is going on and how things are being done, and they want to help, and this is the way they are learning, and I'm very much proud of this. I never force them for cleaning, and I'm just trying to provide them everything in the very convenient way. As you could see, I made this mop handle smaller for my son to be using it easier, and I'm just happy if they do it for 3 seconds, because they do what they can do, and the main idea is to encourage them and to enjoy this process. My tip number 4 is my favorite one, is that you should try to switch on a motivational video or some of your favorite music or a podcast or an audiobook. Anything will do good, because this will keep you from thinking about chores you don't like. Instead, your brain will be busy and hence will still do the job. Personally, I love watching cleaning motivational videos, and they were very helpful for me. Then my kids were much younger and I was all the time exhausted, but looking other people cleaning was giving me energy, and this is the reason why I wanted to start making my own videos, as I want to help to other women who have the same problem. I promise, lady, if I can overcome no motivation to clean, you also can. My tip number 5 is to do a detailed list. It is extremely important, because every time you check one of the tasks, this gives you energy and fulfills you to do something else. With my Android phone, I use the app which is called Clean My House. It has a function of timing, and this is why I just love it, because it helps me with my planning. Once I timed all my tasks, and later I know exactly how long it takes me to check one task, so I can easily add that to my done list. But if you do not know where to start your cleaning, or you don't know how to create a detailed checklist for your routines, it might be a very good idea to check Pinterest. I was finding there a lot of inspiration, so this tip could also be helpful for you. But if using an app or searching on Pinterest is too much for you, just take a post-it and it will perfectly work, I promise. You can see I'm using my yellow post-its, and I often attach them to the microwave. And I hope, guys, this video was helpful for you and you got motivated. I will leave you my cleaning playlist link here if you feel ready to go on and clean with me even more today. Be sure to check those videos and go get done what has to be done. I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.